Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial, Servus. Today we take a look at another important aspect of Austrian German phonetics. This time we focus on the TZ and TZL-sound. In general, the TZ sound is frequently used and rather simple. In contrast, the TZL sound might pose quite a challenge for learners. Maybe you've come across words like Kerze, Platzl, oder Schnitzel. In this video, we will cover more of such examples. Please stay tuned. The learning goal of this tutorial is to learn how to pronounce the sounds TZ and TZL in Austrian German. We'll start with the basics and then we are going to take a look at some examples. Let's start with the basics. The sounds TZ and TZL are common in Austrian German, and especially the TZL sound may be difficult to pronounce for beginners. The TZ sound is similar to the combination of TS when we say what's up. For the TZL sound, we just add an L directly without a pause, ZL. Some examples can give you a first impression and make it easier. The first example, Kerze, candle, Kerze, fetzen, that's a cloth, and the verb means to go fast, fetzen. And the third example, Platzl, that's a little square or place, Platzl. As the examples show us, there are different spellings for the TZ sound. Z can become ts, TZ stays ts, and TZL can become zl, like Schnitzel for example. Let's look at some examples of Austrian words that use the TZ or the TZL sound. The first example, Witz, that's joke, Witz, Netz, net, Netz, Schütze, shooter, Schütze, Schnitzel, the favorite meal, Schnitzel, Kretzel, neighborhood, Kretzel. Additionally, we can check out some sentences in which the TZ sound occurs. We start with Austrian German, Standard German, and then translate it into English. First example, dies ist ein lustiger Witz. Das ist ein lustiger Witz. That's a funny joke. Dies ist ein lustiger Witz. The second example, das Schnitzel schmeckt ausgezeichnet. Das Schnitzel schmeckt ausgezeichnet. The Schnitzel tastes excellent. Das Schnitzel schmeckt ausgezeichnet. And example number 3. So ein nettes Platzl. So ein nettes Plätzchen. Such a nice place. So ein nettes Platzl. All in all, we can say that the sounds TZ and TZL are common in Austrian German, and especially the TZL sound may be difficult to pronounce for beginners. I hope this tutorial helped you to become more confident with Austrian German pronunciation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. And please let me know in the comments if there are any other sounds or regional accents you would like to learn. By the way, if you want to learn more about Austrian phonetics, please check out my playlist about it. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiedersehen, Servus und Baba.